So I've had a few questions of what I like to clean and use as far as plexiglass or acrylic window cleaner and polish. Everyone's main go-to is Plexus, which works really great for plexiglass, acrylic, clear plastic windows, but the problem is it's kind of hard to get at times. Luckily for me, I have a friend in the ATV industry that gave me the last half a can he had. So here are a few of my choices of how I like to clean my windows. This is how I've been doing it. Everything so far has been safe and it's worked out really well. So before we get to that, I'm going to show you what I like to do first. We want to make sure, number one, we do not have any dust or dirt on these. If you breathe on these windows wrong, they will scratch. So when I'm at camp or out and about, I'll take a bottle of water and I'll just give the whole window a nice rinsing. Make sure there's no dirt or dust on these windows. For general cleaning, I like to use invisible glass. So far it's been pretty safe. They do make a version of this for plexiglass windows, but it's been just fine. And you want to put a good amount of that on there. The trick to cleaning clear plastic is keep everything lubricated. Then you're going to take a clean microfiber towel, take your tags off, anything that could scratch your windows, and fold it up. As you come across your window, you need to roll your microfiber to pick up any dirt. So invisible glass alone does a great job of cleaning these windows, as long as it's well lubricated. And after you're done your windows, you can come back and wash the water off of your trailer. The next really good and safe thing I found to clean and kind of protect these windows is Meguiar's Quick Detailer. This is in between a cleaner and a wax. It's absolutely perfect for this if you don't have Plexus. Just spray some on. Same principle. Take your clean microfiber towel and wipe it off. Just like that, and you have a very fine amount of wax and cleaner on these windows. That way some water can run off of them. And I do need to note, when you start doing these, make sure you always wipe in a singular direction. It's either going to be up or down or left to right. No swirlies when wiping this out, or you'll get all kinds of scratches in here. Now, Meguiar's products are my preference, but this is what I've found works. They work very well, they're easy and safe, so I stick with these. You can even use quick wax. Same thing, spray a little on. And when it comes to quick wax, I just kind of go side to side too. I don't swirl that in. That's how you keep your scratches down. Now you even have more of a protective layer on this window with that light amount of wax. And professional tip, so you know if there's any streaks inside or outside, go side to side on the outside, go up and down on your inside. That way you can tell where your streaks are, if you have any. If you have any swirls or light marks on these windows, I found that Meguiar's cleaner wax is very safe and works fairly decent on getting some very minor swirls and marks out of the plastic windows. But like any wax, you're going to take a little dab on your microfiber or your polishing pad, and that is when you can do swirls. I typically only use the cleaner wax if I have any stuck on watermarks or light scuffs and scratches, and I'll kind of polish that out. So that goes in swirls, and you're going to let that set up and dry for a little bit here, probably about 5 minutes. And now that that's dry, you can come in and wipe it off. Same thing, you want to wipe out in one direction. And for demonstration purposes, I'll show you how the Plexus goes on. Coat your window and get that fine mist spray all over the place. With a new clean microfiber towel, you're going to come across and smear that all in. just like so. Come back with a clean side of the towel and get the remainder off, just like that. I've had very good luck with all of these products and the outcome, and you can see this is crystal clear with a nice deep shiny finish. That's how I do things. It's been working out really well. Now for you, before you use any of these products, you want to try it out on a small inconspicuous spot first. Like maybe just around this edge. Maybe leave it for a day even, see what the sun does to it. But so far, absolutely no issues, and everything's been just perfect. The key is you want to start clean and grit free. And when you're using any of these products, you need to use a good amount of them at first. You need a liquid, and you need some kind of lubricant to slide across that surface with your microfiber so that it doesn't scratch your windows any further. But in reality, all this is kind of a cleaner wax in itself in a spray form, I think. So this, if you got some deeper swirls and whatnot, works perfect and it's safe. You're not going to really get the deep scratches out. You may need to use a random orbital polisher or something and really know what you're doing before you even do that. I don't recommend doing that unless you know how to detail your vehicles and polish things, but safely this will work for the light stuff. And then, like I said, for general cleaning, and what I've been using on the inside windows, I just use the invisible glass. But all around, if I can't find Plexus, I really like the quick detailer. This kind of does what this and this all do in one here. A very light amount of wax, so it'll give you a little bit of water beading protection and whatnot. But if you want a little bit more, use the quick wax afterwards. This stuff works pretty good. And I'd like to note one more time that I am no professional. I just watch YouTube videos. But in all seriousness, this stuff has been working just fine over the last year or so, and I haven't had an issue at all. Well, I hope that was some good information for you out there with plastic, acrylic, or plexiglass windows. And hopefully that'll help some of y'all out. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next adventure.